Here we are in the pricing section. You can see money annually or monthly.
Hmm.
For example, if you are satisfied 1 month, 2 months, you can just purchase yearly and see it. Okay, guys, monthly it's 39 and the 79. What's the basic difference is the tracking. But we have a coupon code, as we mentioned, HIVOVA. You can use it to get discount, and it's also helpful for us to create the free content for all the sellers on the YouTube and some other platforms watching. Hi, Vova. You use this coupon code. Meanwhile, you see we got this like $32, $64. Previously, it was 79. Now it's 64. Previously, it was 39. It's now 32. You can get kind of the huge discount. It's over 30%, like 35% off. You got the discount for the monthly plan. If you want to find yearly plan, just switch to yearly plan. Here we have again 35% discount code with HIVOVA, and it's kind of saving money for you and for us as well. Okay. What's the difference? Difference, we can go to back to see difference. When we come down, view the features. Here we have the feature Keepa AI analysis 100 report daily, data export 50 export daily. If you need keyword, rest of the other free tools are free for everyone. You can use it unlimited. The others, reverse ASIN, index checker, keyword mining, all this data are same. Just what's the difference? You can see if you use the like this data, this is the Keepa AI and the keyword product tracking are available from this standard plan. For basic plan, this one doesn't have. Okay, Baba, you wanna add something?
Yeah, again, I'll mention that in the description there's going to be a link to sign up, get a free trial, and the coupon code HIVOVA helps save 35%. There's a playlist of all the videos we've created so far with Yalchin and about different parts of SellerSprite. We have covered the basic 16 tools in different videos. There's like two big webinars, and there's this, we cut them into smaller parts. It's all in the playlist in the description. So hopefully you, the viewer, can make the most out of SellerSprite for your business on Amazon. So you can do your research for products or improve your listings, improve your PPC. There's a lot, and the playlist will help you navigate.